Hey Noobtubers, time for another episode of Indiegogo Kickstarter projects. I know it's been a while, but I finally started getting stuff in again. This time though, I've done something different. I've rigged up my GoPro to use a microphone so that you guys can hear me better. I know previously I've been getting a lot of complaints and I didn't realize the GoPro 5 microphone built in wasn't all that great. I did some research and it got me a mic and the attachment that goes with the GoPro for the mic. So let's see how this works. What we have here is from Kickstarter. This is called the I can't pronounce it, but it's the Alpaka Swift backpack. I ordered this last year. It was supposed to come in February, but you know how that goes. Kickstarter delays, and then finally I got it in July. I believe you can order this now on their actual website, and I'll create a link to both the Kickstarter page and the website where you can order this from. So I guess let's get started. As you can see, I have my trusty red knife again. It's either red or blue, but I'm gonna cut this open, and I hope that this microphone that I got actually works. I haven't really tested it yet. This is my first time testing it, so let's see how it goes. Okay. I got the grayish blue one. Let me see if I can see. Make sure that we can see this. Oh. Okay, it's a little bit high. So just my GoPro. Okay, here it is. Let me open it up. There's also some type of a strap right here, which I believe goes for these. Oh, nope, this is not a strap. This is actually, let's open this first. This is actually the extra add-on that I had purchased. This is for when you travel on airplanes and stuff. You can put in your necessities, like shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, etc. It's your typical bag, see-through. As you can see, not bad. Okay, put this on the side. Bag. Nope. Nothing else in the bag. Here is the backpack itself. Very nice. Here is the I can't pronounce it. Alpaka Modular Shift Pack modular carry. What got me interested in this bag was you can increase the weight on this. If you first, let me see. You unlock these first. See how to unlock these. Oh, it's a magnetic. Oh, semi-magnetic. No, it's not a magnetic. Oh, it is magnetic. Easy to unlock. Just push the buttons on the side here and open it up. As you can see, it expands even more. And it has a zipper right here. And you can see it expands even more. So if you don't need it, you can just, as you can see, you can fold it if you don't need it that much. If you don't use a lot of the, you don't lose a lot of the space. But what I liked about this bag was this bottom zipper right here. As you can see, open it, it's perfect. What it was meant for was you could put like clothes in here, gym clothes, shoes, drinks. It's supposed to be waterproof on the inside, and also you can put like a little, if you had a drone, foldable drone, it can sit in here. or you have some other, like your power supplies, your batteries, and all that other good stuff. Let me see. And it also has a compartment to connect to the top. So it's like a two-way compartment bag. See, we have a pocket here in the front. A lot of space in here. As you can see, there's a lot of space. Looks like you can hold credit cards, hold keys, wallets, passport, airplane tickets. We have here on the back. This up. Okay. What we have here on the back is a compartment right here to stash stuff. Oh, actually, this is actually used to connect your luggage. As you can see, this would sit on your luggage. Some cushion right here. We have a hidden compartment right here. It's pretty thick. As you can see, my hand goes in pretty deeply, pretty thick. Put your wallet. We have smaller pockets right here on the side to hold your keys. Easily removable key slot. Connect back in. Very nice. This looks like it can hold credit cards, some cash, and some other stuff. Let me see. And then we have I think we have a zipper right here. Yes, we do. We have a zipper right here, which is the main zipper. Okay, as you can see here, you can put your laptop right here. Put some books right here, your iPad. Perfect spot for battery pack. And also another zipper. Connects to the inside of the bag. Ooh, nice. Very nice. So this connects to the main inside of the bag where you can hold clothes and other accessories and stuff like that. So overall, I have to say this is a very nice, very well built bag. It did take a while. I think I might be replacing my other bag I'm currently using. It's actually not that bad. As you can see here, when you open it up, let me close this part first. Close this part back up. Lock this part up. Very nice. It's very well built. And I got the blue one. They have different colors like gray and some other colors. But this is a very nice bag. So if you don't use that much liter, what you would do is just fold it like this, like a regular backpack. And then as you can see, clip it like that. And I believe you just clip it like this. It's a magnetic clip. That's how it sits. Or actually, I'm not sure. I have to look at it. I have to look at online some instructions. But it's very easy to take these straps off. Actually, I think it might go like this. It goes downward like this. Yeah, looks like it goes inward. There we go. There you go. I do need to put a couple items in here to see how that fits, but overall, very nice backpack. They were supposed to come with a drink holder and some other stuff. As you can see, there's a clip right here. It didn't come in yet, but apparently it's a drink holder and some other clips for your cell phone and stuff like that that would clip onto this part right here. And this is magnetic also. There's a magnet right here and right here. So as you can see, when I put it in, clips right away. Very, very nice. Okay. That's about it, guys and girls. Alpaka Swift Backpack. Please leave any comments. Hopefully this microphone actually works, and then I'll have more stuff coming. See you later, YouTubers. Bye.